English alphabets with their phonic sounds. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you.